video, we'll briefly discuss how to begin thinking about a legal research project. There are 4 main methods for researching legal questions. You may need to use more than one format to conduct your research. The 4 main methods are citation, index, table of contents, and keyword. When you're starting a legal research project, it is good to have an idea of where to begin with the materials. The first is the citation approach. This is an easy way to find a legal source because you have a citation that tells you exactly where to look. Maybe the citation was given to you. Maybe you found it using another resource. If you already have the citation, you can just go to the shelf to retrieve the book or use Westlaw to access the material, if the material is in Westlaw. Sometimes you can use the citation to find something online with Google. We have books in our collection that will assist with deciphering citations or assist with the creation of a citation. The second way to conduct research is using the index approach. Indexes are organized alphabetically by search terms. They are usually found in the back of a book or as a separate volume. You think of words that apply to your situation and then look them up in the index. The index will give you a page number, sometimes also a volume number, so you can find the information. Sometimes knowing the correct terminology can be challenging. It may take quite a few tries before you're successful finding the right terms. For example, if you're looking for information dealing with cars, you may need to use words like motor vehicles. If you're looking for information on divorce, you may need to use terms like dissolution of marriage. Table of contents are found at the beginning of a source. Rather than being organized alphabetically by search terms like an index, they reflect the book or set of books' internal organization. They are organized logically. You would use the table of contents to find that part of a source that addresses the issues you want to learn about. So, for example, you have a book about George Washington, and you wanted to read about his contribution to the Constitutional Convention. You could go to the table of contents and see Chapter 1 is about his ancestry, Chapter 2 about his childhood, Chapter 3 about his time in the British Army, and so forth. Eventually you see that in Chapter 8 is about the Constitutional Convention, and that's where you would turn in the book. The final approach is a keyword approach, and this is only available in electronic resources. This is used when searching the internet through a search engine like Google or using an online database, such as the different databases the library system provides. You can search a word or combination of words to find relevant sources. In a more sophisticated database like Westlaw, you can use keywords or phrases using plain English, and the computer turns this into a combination word search. It may sound easy, but it is not. Often the index or table of contents approach is more efficient. This completes part 1. Thank you for watching. In part 2, we will begin a video series on discussing the print resources here at the Law Library.